Okay, so this shows what you're doing there now. He's building a channel here. This is, see? Which has to go in here now because of the modification of the boot lid. The existing channel would have interfered with it, so this one we have to lower a little so that the water can run off properly. So we're going to make two of them. There we go, that looks great, Gerald. Yeah. And then we must just put the lid back on and see if it works. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Very good. Now let's go have breakfast.
Welcome back, guys. While we wait for those guys to have their breakfast, I tried to start this car and the battery got flat. So it's on charge at the moment. In today's show we are finishing off the back of the hood. The back of the car basically.
So now, let me just film this. Making a key for the bottom lock here. That's another story. And here we welded in the extra channels, will be cleaned up, and then at least the water will run down there and the hinge will open. Okay, so let's just see. Testing here. So far so good. A little bit more. Need to modify a little bit more. This side is good.
Okay, close again.
Okay. Try again. Seriously, we need to just knock it down a bit, Gerald. We need to knock it down a bit. Oops. Because we need a little bit of a lip there still. Trying to get it to work. Almost there. Whoa. Now.
Too much.
So now that's looking much better. Much better, and it's working. Chee-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee. So we have a boot lid. We have to modify a lot of stuff here, but I think it's just flipping brilliant. Brilliant. A little bit of a run on the primer there, but that doesn't matter because we've got to rub everything down again. Broken the camel's back on this motherfucker. There we go. Oops, that bolt must still go in. And then we've got to finish this. We've got to think of what to do here now, Gerald. That's another problem, eh?
And we're doing some more welding repairs. We did some modification to the car. Comes with a wooden floor. The wooden floor, and in our movie that you're going to see today, it is coming with a metal floor, so it adds a bit of structure to it. Please remember to smash the like button and subscribe and unlike it and comment and just get in touch with us.
Fine sanding. Very interesting. We've got to build up with one more primer. This is looking ready for priming. All the seams were horrible. Horrible. Along here now. Up here. A little bit of action here. Anyway, there we go. So this has all been retested and the lines pulled in nicely. One more coat of primer, one more flat, and then we can put some paint on it and see how straight everything is. It's going to be a bit of fun. So spray the back again. Tomorrow we'll do those latches. So probably one more rub down and then we can almost paint it. So yeah. Back's looking, front's looking much better. See what cooks here. Battery tray is looking better. More nonsense down here. Much better. We were so lucky with the weather. We'd have to still do some fine filling, more rubbing. That section looks better. Here the fenders get another coat now. Our neighbours are going to love us. Looking cool. Soon we can get that body on the chassis. And then hopefully get the right colour on it. We missed a little bit there. Huh? No? Make sure you cover all the raw bits. Looking good. Looking very good. People don't realize how much energy goes into this. Hours and hours. It's absolutely crazy. but it'll get there in the end. It'll get there. Now the paint. Alrighty. Alrighty. That corner looks nice now. Some welding in there. What we're going to do there, I don't know still, because the pedals have to go in there. And we have to still weld this door lock. That looks a bit dodgy. Anyway, let's see how we go. Right, so now, it's bloody raining today. Cleaning up some other bits. Tidying up. Got to clean up the chassis. I'm going to paint the exhaust. Do some more work on the running gear. And check things out. Load shedding really messes us around. Anyway, all looking a bit more organized. So, bought some high resistant paint there, which we're going to try and paint the manifold with. And clean up other bits and pieces. Also paint the exhaust so it doesn't rust. And yeah, just fiddle in the rain. Cool.
Okay, so we're in Africa. So in order to do the test drive, we MacGyvered an accelerator pedal. That's not pulling enough. Huh? Okay, then try it. Okay, we'll try again.
No, it was lying somewhere here in the back. And yeah, I put it there on the table at the back. So we're trying to get this thing so we can drive it, because today we couldn't do much on the bodywork because it was raining. So we spent a lot more time on the chassis. And yeah, still fiddling. Started quite easily even after a couple of weeks. But we got to adjust the linkages so that we can get this to work. Normally the pedal would be inside the car, but we want to make sure that we can drive it and see what happens. Clutch is working, brakes are working. So yeah.